Altitudinal zonation. With increasing altitude, conditions usually become cooler and damper, so that the vegetation of mountains shows a corresponding zonation with elevation. Due to the decrease in temperature, there are several climatic zones in the mountains. If the snow line of a mountain range is very high, then it will have a greater variety of climates. In tropical high mountains, like the Andes, all belts of altitudinal zonation can be found. From its base to 1,000 meters above sea level, the vegetation is dominated by rainforest. Subtropical evergreen forests grow from 1,000 meters to 2,000 meters. This is called the warm temperate belt. Above this, the cold temperate belt extends up to 3,000 meters, where deciduous and mixed coniferous forests dominate. Between 3,000 and 4,000 meters, the cold zone is characterized by subalpine grasslands and dwarf shrubs. The snow line is at an altitude of 5,000 meters, where nothing but grasses survive.